Creates fear. Delhi HC criticizes school for using bouncers over fee dispute. The Delhi High Court has harshly criticized schools for using bouncers to pressure students and parents over unpaid fees. The court declared that such actions cause mental harassment and damage a child's psychological well-being and self-esteem, reported on E. The court highlighted that educational institutions should focus on broader goals beyond commercial interests, such as promoting public welfare and nation building. It noted that such practices create fear, humiliation, and exclusion, which go against the fundamental principles of education. Earlier today, Delhi Public School DPS Dwarka informed the High Court that it had reversed its decision to suspend 31 students due to unpaid fees. However, Justice Sachin Dutta pointed out that while schools can charge fees for their services, they should not operate solely as commercial enterprises. The report added. The court emphasized the need to protect students' rights and dignity, particularly in fee disputes. The court acknowledged the school's right to collect appropriate fees to maintain infrastructure, pay staff, and create a conducive learning environment. However, it stressed the institution's fiduciary and moral responsibilities towards students. Justice Dutta encouraged both DPS Dwarka and the parents to collaborate in resolving disputes in the best interests of the students. In a recent ruling, another bench of the Delhi High Court provided relief to students of DPS Dwarka who had been removed from the rolls due to non-payment of increased fees. Justice Vikas Mahajan, while hearing a petition from several parents, ordered that the affected students be readmitted to classes, provided they pay 50% of the revised fee for the academic years 200 and 2425 and onward. In the current case, parents challenged the suspension, alleging discrimination by school authorities. They claimed that students were expelled due to non-payment of revised fees. DPS Dwarka argued that parents were repeatedly informed about outstanding dues, citing the school's financial strain. It defended its use of security personnel, citing protests, alleged threats, and concerns over potential student abductions. The parents disputed these claims, insisting that students' rights should be protected and accusing the school of withholding crucial documents. Parents alleged that the school arbitrarily removed students without prior notice, violating court directives and basic principles of justice. Many of the expelled students are in Class 10 and had started preparing for board exams, making their removal particularly disruptive to their education and emotional well-being. Further allegations include claims of student mistreatment, threats by security personnel, and confinement in a bus for 2 hours before being sent home. Reports indicated increased security, including female bouncers, on May 14, 2025. Parents claimed that local authorities refused to intervene, citing the matter's sub judice status. The parents' plea came in response to DPS Dwarka's challenge against a directive from the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) on July 18, 2024, which ordered the police to file an FIR against the school. The directive cited complaints of student expulsions, public disclosure of names on the school website, and an incident involving a female student being denied assistance during menstruation. The High Court later stayed this order on July 30. Swipe left for next video. Last month, the Delhi High Court issued a stern reprimand to the school over claims that students were confined in the library and barred from classes due to unpaid fees. The court called the actions inhumane, comparing the institution to a commercial entity rather than an educational one. The judge suggested that the principal could face criminal charges for the alleged mistreatment of students. Latest blogs.